Okay, just a quick video. A few people have asked how you can access Google Classroom on your PS4. So I thought I'd do a little video and explore how you actually do it. So first of all, press your PlayStation button. So you're in this screen, and you might already have the browser icon, which just says www. If you can't already see it, what you can do is go to your library, this is where it says start, and then it could be listed in here, or if you go to the top, you can search for it. So mine wasn't already on there, so that might be where people are having the issue. So in here, if you just search internet, head down to the bottom right blue search, and there you can see that's the icon for the internet browser. Okay, so once you've gone into your browser window at the top, you could search for Google Classroom. Probably much quicker than me at this. Oops. Don't tend to do anything like this on the PS4. To be honest, I just really play Tomb Raider or Harry Potter. So there we go, I've done that. Go to go, search that, there we go, it's brought up Google Classroom. Click on there. There you go. So it says Google Classroom there. You can just sign in at the top. Whoop, we sign into we sign into Google Classroom. And there you go. So you just log in with your normal Google details. So if you don't have access to a laptop, but you do have a PlayStation or Xbox, anything like that, where you've got browser access, you can access Google Classroom.